everyone, welcome back to my channel Series Talks. So friends, in today's video we'll be talking about the popular TV series Joey, which was produced after the famous character Joey Tribbiani from American sitcom Friends. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you the full review on this series as I recently watched it. So do watch the video till the end. But before let's begin, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss on any of our videos. So let's begin. So first of all, the series Joey is available on Amazon Prime, and this series contains a single season only with 24 episodes and each with a length of about 20 minutes. So the show aired in television on 9th of September 2004 and was there till August 23rd, 2006. Also, let me tell you about the IMDb ratings on this series. So the series Joey has an IMDb rating of 6. But also let me tell you that you never judge a series on the basis of its IMDb ratings. So we can basically say that the character Joey Tribbiani was so much loved and appreciated by Friends that the producers decided to form a separate series for Joey, but unfortunately they could produce a single season only. So also, as we can see that in the final episode of Friends, Phoebe gets married, Ross and Rachel gets back together, and Monica and Chandler decides to move out of town. So at the end, Joey Tribbiani is left all alone. So this show starts with Joey Tribbiani showing that he has to move out of New York and shift to Los Angeles to explore his acting career in Hollywood. So Joey arrives in Los Angeles and her sister Gina finds him a good apartment to live in. Joey meets Gina's son Michael and they both decided to live in together. Also, Joey meets his agent named Bobby, who provides him a good audition in Hollywood movies. And also Joey meets his beautiful neighbor next door, Alex. So guys, from the beginning itself we can see that the series proves itself to be a good American sitcom. The dialogues used in the show and the acting of Joey Tribbiani is really amazing, and I would definitely recommend you to watch this awesome series if you are a true Friends fan and also if you are a true Joey Tribbiani's fan. This show is very entertaining as well as it will make you emotional at times, plus this series will also give you goosebumps in different scenes as well. But also we'll see that in the final episode of this season 1, we'll see that the things will be left uncleared and viewers expected the production house to make another season of this show, but unfortunately they didn't. So guys, if you wanna know why the production house stopped the casting of this show, do let me know in the comment section and I'll be definitely making a video about it. Also guys, this is our first video recorded in English audio. If you really liked it, do give us your reviews in the comment section. And if you didn't, we'll be definitely making the videos as previously in Hindi audio. So lastly guys, if you really like this video, do share it with your friends and recommend them to watch this awesome series. So thank you and we'll meet again in the next video.